ऐसे क्यों?
Hello, where art thou?
For once, speak in a language I understand.
But I do speak the language of love.
Chi yaar, just for this, you should walk home alone.
अरे ऐसा मत करो यार.
Acha chalo, I'm picking you up in 2 minutes.
You love me.
Well, yeah, I do. Now bye.
Hi.
वैसे तुम अपने बैग में क्या रख रही थी?
It's a mystery.
Mystery. Interesting. You know what? Even I have a surprise for you.
क्या है बताओ?
If you say only, then I'll say.
अरे यार, you know, एक महान व्यक्ति ने कहा है, patience is the key to success.
My God.
Anyways, you had a meeting with the higher ups, right? How did that go?
It was great. But हम ये बाद में बात करते हैं. Tell me how your day was. Did you save the world one puppy at a time?
You know what? Suraj got adopted today and he was so happy and the people are really nice. I'm sure they'll take great care of him.
मैंने तो बोला ही था अपनी एनजीओ का नाम रख दो. हर कुत्ते का दिन आता है फाउंडेशन. Anyways, how are we feeling about this dinner?
So dad though is as usual not coming, but mom will be there.
It's okay. He'll come around one day eventually.
Matlab, it's all worked out, but I'm so stressed. Like, what if she freaks out? What if I don't say it अच्छे से?
काम ठंड पाओ पुत्र. वैसे रिंग पे डिस्काउंट मिला कि नहीं?
मम्मी.
अरे जेके जस्ट किडिंग.
दी चलो ना, भूख लग रही है.
यस चलो चलो लेट्स गो. चलो.
Acha. Listen, while we all are here, Kiara, do you want to tell us something?
Ma, I was gonna do this at home, but since we all are here, आज associate के साथ मेरी meeting थी, right? And I got promoted.
क्या बात है यार, उसकी सैलरी बढ़ी है.
I'm so happy.
सुनो, आगे भी तो बोलने दो मेरे को. We are moving to States.
Oh my God!
I'm so happy. उसके बाद बेटा हम जाएंगे. सब कुछ करने की बात है. तो
Let's go! Wow! I know. I'm so happy.
वानी, are you okay? डिनर में तुम काफी ऑफ लग रही थी. Something on your mind?
Nothing. I guess I'm just really tired.
Okay. Oh, by the way, you had something to tell me ना, something about your mystery. बताओ ना.
Nothing. It doesn't matter.
अरे, of course it matters. बताओ ना.
नहीं, your news was really exciting, but it was a bit shocking too. You didn't tell me we were moving.
अरे, of course I was gonna tell you, but वो मॉम ने स्पॉटलाइट में डाल दिया मुझे.
हाँ, but इतना बड़ा decision of moving, you should have thought of discussing it with me, no, once.
अरे, I wanted to be surprised ना. I'm so sorry. अच्छा चलो, can we talk about it now? That will make you smile a little for me.
नहीं, it's okay. We're both very tired right now, and I'm really happy for you. And I think we can discuss this moving thing together.
अक्सर तुमसे मिलकर मुझको घर सा लगता है. फिर क्यों दिल में कोई डर सा लगता है.
I cooked today.
You're home?
Yeah, I didn't go to work today. I thought we could spend some time together.
But you never skip work.
Yeah, but we haven't gotten time at all. Either you work or I work. So I thought थोड़ा break लिया जाए.
You cooked? पक्का पूरा किचन गंदा कर दिया.
अरे I cleaned it also यार.
और दूध फ्रिज में रखा?
Yes, chill, रख दिया.
पर बर्तन तो एंड में मुझे ही घिसने पड़ेंगे ना.
Vani, chill यार. It's not a big deal.
It is a big deal, Kiara. End में I have to do everything.
Why are you getting so angry, Vani? I cooked us dinner. The least you can say is thank you and we can have a good time together. Why are you acting up so much?
Because it is a big deal. तुम्हारा एक दिन randomly decide करना that I am going to cook dinner is a big deal. तुम्हारा एक दिन randomly announce करना that we are moving for your promotion is a big deal. So I'm sorry if you don't consider it necessary to discuss things with your partner.
Oh really? अगर हम discussion and communication के बारे में बात ही कर रहे हैं, so please tell me. What is this?
Where did you find this?
मैं तुम्हारी कबर्ड में चेक कर रही थी कुछ तो और ये गिर गया. Now will you tell me if this was the surprise you were talking about?
Yes, it was.
But it's a good thing. We both are so happy. सब कुछ सही चल रहा है हमारी लाइफ में. And along with the promotion, it's the perfect thing. And work और तुम्हारे साथ दोनों में मेरा promotion हो रहा है.
Kiara, it would have been a good thing if you had not shoved this decision of moving in my face.
Shoved it in your face? Isn't this what we want?
No, Kiara, this is what you want. क्या तुमने मुझसे एक बार भी पूछा what it is that I want? Did you ever consider me, my life, my feelings, my career? No, you didn't, Kiara. You know how much my work means to me. This shelter, I built it from scratch. I got a home for so many animals. Everything from ideation to execution to funding. This is me. It's everything I have ever worked for. And you really want me to leave all of this behind? I love my shelter, Kiara. I love all of these animals. But I also love you. And now you've put me in this dilemma. And what breaks my heart the most is that the person that I love the most in this entire world, you, Kiara, you did not consider it necessary to discuss things with me, even once.
अगर तुम्हें इतनी ही प्रॉब्लम थी, why didn't we talk about this before? And अब हो गई गलती यार, अब मैं क्या करूं?
This was my mistake.
And then she said that the idea of proposing was a mistake. I don't know how I feel about that.
बच्चे उससे भी लोग इधर उधर निकल जाते हैं. Don't take it to your heart. आप उसके भी तो पर्सपेक्टिव से देखो.
आप तो उसी की पर्सपेक्टिव देखोगे ना, आप उसकी माँ हो after all.
Sure, Vani is my daughter, but two of you have been together for so long that you've also become my child now. And I want what's best for both of you. Chini?
Best तो मुझे भी चाहिए माँ for us, but I don't know how that's going to work out now.
अच्छा, tell me, what are you feeling right now?
मुझे नहीं पता.
देखो बेटा, I know this shouldn't have turned out like this, and it isn't an easy decision to make.
I know माँ, but I can't seem to choose. ये कैसा डिसीजन है जिसका पार्ट मैं ही नहीं हूँ.
Not part of this decision, but it's not a big deal. This is a huge opportunity, and our lives are going to change.
Exactly. Both of your lives are gonna change. And don't you think she should also have a say in it? Now life is all about making decisions. But you can only make your decisions now. You're moving away for your career. But Vani's career is in this city. And you were the first one to support her initiative, Kiara. And you're only asking her to throw it all away. Do you think it's fair?
बेटा, फेयर और अनफेयर की बात अगर हम करने लगे तो डू यू थिंक तुम्हारा ये बोलना दैट द आइडिया ऑफ यू प्रपोजिंग वाज अ मिस्टेक इज़ इट एक्चुअली फेयर टू से दैट? मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि जो कियारा ने किया है वो सही है, बट मे बी यू शुड हैव ऑल्सो स्पोकन सूनर ना.
But I was so confused. I have never felt this way, especially with Kiara. She has always considered my thoughts and feelings, always made me feel so seen. And now suddenly within a snap of a finger I felt so unseen. And मैं मेरे काम और मेरी लाइफ और कियारा के बीच में चूज़ नहीं कर सकती. I don't have the courage to have the conversation right now.
बच्चे, अगर हम डिफ़िकल्ट कन्वर्जेशन से भाग जाएंगे तो ये रिश्ते कैसे चलेंगे? लव इज सेड टू बी ऑल अबाउट सैक्रिफाइसेस. तुम्हें स्टार्टिंग में चॉइस नहीं मिली, बट तुम्हारे पास अभी भी चॉइस है. बी इट योर लव फॉर वर्क और बी इट योर लव फॉर कियारा, इट्स ओके टू चूज़ ईदर. जो भी तुम्हारा डिसीजन होगा, मैं तुम दोनों के साथ हूँ.
Vani, I don't like this. I can't see us like this. What happened to us? We've always been the one to speak, to talk, and we haven't. I think my decision, I've been so wrong. I'm sorry. I should have been a better person, a better partner to you.
I don't like this either, Kiara. We love each other, but is that enough? I don't know.
So, are you gonna come along?
That's a tough decision. You know how close I am to my shelter, but you also know how much you and a life together mean to me. I've been stuck with my thoughts because I didn't know what I wanted. But now I do.
So what are we? Are you gonna come along? Is this it? You're not gonna come along. Long distance then?
Do you think we can? Haven't we spoken about this before and both of us agreed it wasn't going to work out? Besides, this time you're going for your career and God knows how long you'll be there for. How will we keep up with the distance?
I guess you've made up your mind. So this is it? All these years together, telling our parents, moving into this apartment. You got me a ring, man. And I guess this was our journey.
You're my girlfriend, Kiara. But most importantly, you're my best friend. How am I going to do this crazy thing called life without you?
So I guess we'll have to learn like how you had the courage to have this conversation. We both have to have the courage to move on, live our lives. So no more morning notes, no more snatching the blanket in the middle of the night.
I don't.
Vani, I love you so much. I've seen you grow into a beautiful human being, and you'll always have a special place in my heart. And I can't be the one to take this dream away from you. I can't.
I love you too, Kiara. Oh, I miss this so much. I don't know if you're being selfish or kind, but I don't think this is the right thing to do. But I don't know why the right thing has to be so hard, has to hurt so much. Come on, let's get to it.
तुम्हें लेके चलूं मैं? Come on, let's try to fit you into the suitcase.